Santi hanjalaknaba ngarang Impal da thunglakiba Thadou Inpi gi mihutsingbu leingakna hoteldagi hendokhandabagi thawong Thadou Inpi na nungaitaba phongdokkhre ngasi Impal hotel da pangthokpa paugi mifam amada Thadou Inpi gi luchingba amana political motivate tauba manba thawong asi right to life liberty amasung free movement gi fundamental rights sing khonggoinabane masina tangdu leitaba amasung manipurda yelhaumi singi amata oibagi lingjel adu ona tainabada ka hena tauba singi pelhanaba thawina sinba male Thadou miyamna government of India amasung kuki jomi mar su militant group singa political negotiation tawbada yawbulaite center da Thadou miyamna political demand tawbasu laite loinana handak Impal da liba asidasu government na silaga lakpanate government of India na Thadou Inpi gi delegate singbu chathok chasinda athingba piriba ase khudakta handu haike
Thadou Inpi Manipur, along with prominent Meitei civil society organizations including Kokomi, Amuko, FOCS, Arambai Tengol, 6 student bodies group convened in Impal on 6 August 2025 for Covenant of Community Understanding. This agreement formally acknowledged the Thadou tribe distinct identity separate from the Kuki labor and reaffirmed a shared commitment to safeguard Manipur integrity, territorial integrity and update the NRC to detect and deport illegal immigrants. However, following this historical agreement, Thadou delegates were forcibly confined at the Classic Hotel in Phal. The government of India under President rule in Manipur blocked their movement even to nearby venue for reasons that appear politically motivated. This restriction is a clear violation of the fundamental right to the life, liberty and free movement and suggests a disturbing attempt to appease extremist elements that oppose peace, indigenous unity in Manipur. We verify that Thadou people involved in the negotiation between the government of India and the Kuki Zomi Mar Su militant community has met no political demand from the center.